It is raining. I sure hope Starry and company up in Idaho get some of this. Won't be long now and they'll let us back in the woods. We got locked out this year. Haven't seen that in 20 years. I am here cleaning out the wood storage, and this back section of wood, I never seem to burn this last bit. So that back row for sure has been there for 10 years. And if I listen real quietly, I can hear the drywood termites. And you can see all the holes. And then they're dumping, sawdust everywhere out of these holes. You see piles of sawdust. That's all drywood termites. They're happy in this firewood pile, but eventually they will get in the walls, and I don't want to do that. So I get to unstack about a cord of firewood here and stack it out in the parking shelter and stack fresh wood back in here and burn this up first this year. It's just been in here too long. Listen to that. I better go turn the solar power off. I don't have lightning suppressors. What a blessing. Wow. So cool. So far, the old Farmer's Almanac, not the new one, but the old one, is tracking perfectly with our weather. Ooh, there's boomers in the background. Have a good day.